Cutaneous involvement in lupus is very frequent, occurs almost in 70% of the patients during their course, but also sometimes it goes associated with a systemic disease and sometimes by itself. Current or standard therapy consists in topical corticosteroids and hydroxychloroquine, but apart from that, there is no clear treatment that ensures the efficacy on these patients. For this reason, there are current new strategies that they are emerging. Now currently several biological therapies that they are being assessed in lupus, like anti-interferon 1 receptor, anti-BCMA antibodies, and the idea is that seems that is not enough. For the reasons, due to the lack of therapies, there is an emergent need to discover new treatments, and one of them that our group had been working is in the genetic therapy.
In our manuscript, we describe the first genetic therapy topical for lupus discoid. We have designed a liposomes in collaboration with Louvain University, and we introduce in cell inhibitors of microRNAs. So the idea is that we block the microRNAs and we can diminish the skin cutaneous lesions. So we have tried with in vitro experiments, this is the first paper. We have do skin organoids also, and now we are going with the in vivo experiments. We have tested in mice, and we have seen that the genetic topical therapy is able to diminish a lot the cutaneous skin lesions, and there is for the reason that it's blocking the NF-κB pathway, that is one of the most anti-inflammatory pathways important in skin lesions and lupus discoid. What is now going on? The next step is trying to know it is working also in a skin human. The idea is try to arrive into the hospital and do the first genetic therapy for the patients that they need a lot, because the skin lesions, they are very limited and they are needed another type of therapy.